Autodesk Vault for SolidWorks supports item and bill of material assignment for weldment parts. The leg components of our sample model have an active cut list. A review of some members will help to understand how Vault automatically mapped the content to item rows and row properties later in this video. We focus on the description of structural components, the length, and title value. Also note, the Weldment shares two configurations, as machined and as welded. As machined is the active one, and we switch to Vault, continuing the item and BOM assignment. No item or BOM is assigned yet, as a glance into the user's view confirms. The resulting primary item of the weldment part is of category assembly, the configuration name mapped to its title. The BOM tab lists the preview of the leg plus all Cutlist members. We still have the option to turn off Cutlist items, but in this case, we aim getting all welded components. An alternate view, including the cut length for each structural part, shows that equal values group to single rows, but identical types of different lengths also map to the same steel profile item number. Once we confirm the creation of all individual weldment items, the very used view of the weldment part expands, listing all of them. We continue activating the item bill of material for the parent gantry assembly. Independently of the enabled view, first level only or multi-level BOM, the Weldments cut list is available for downstream consumption.